Listen, 2025 is the year to take control of your finances. Whether you're working a 9 to 5 or juggling bills, here are 5 ultimate side hustles that anyone can start today and make serious cash. First up, remote freelance gigs like copywriting, graphic design, and virtual assistants are booming. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, TopTal, and Rat Race Rebellion connect you directly to clients willing to pay $25 to $100 an hour depending on your skill set. Back up here and why not create something once and sell it forever? Ebooks, Notion templates, Canva design, or even AI generated art can bring in passive income. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad make it easy to set up shop. One viral product can change everything. Apps like DoorDash, Instacart, and Uber are still gold mines for flexible income. You can earn an extra $100 to $300 per week just by driving or running errands during your free time. And in 2025, some apps are even offering loyalty bonuses. In the age of AI, creating content is easier than ever. You can use tools like Descript or Adobe Firefly to create viral TikToks, YouTube videos, or even podcasts. Pick a niche you're passionate about and start monetizing your creativity through ad revenue or sponsorships. Online reselling is going strong in 2025. Scout thrift stores or clearance racks and flip items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. With a little effort, you can turn $50 into $500 in no time. There you have it. 5 side hustles to help you break free from paycheck to paycheck living. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a financial breakthrough this year. Have a wonderful day.